Audi e-tron SUV suffers from the German luxury trap, amplified by electrification. I am referring to the original model, not the updated Q8 e-tron. This vehicle is a prime example of first-generation technology aging poorly. When Audi built this, they played it safe, using a massive heavy chassis and a large battery buffer. The result is a vehicle that struggles to hit 200 miles of real-world range while consuming electricity at a prodigious rate. In 2026, a luxury SUV with less than 200 miles of range will be laughable. However, the real killer is the out-of-warranty repair cost. These are highly complex machines with air suspension, intricate cooling loops, and electric motors that are now falling out of factory protection. We are already seeing catastrophic depreciation on these units, with values dropping 70% from new. By 2026, the cost to replace a failed battery module or an onboard charger on an e-tron will likely exceed the value of the car itself. Third-party mechanics are still learning how to fix high-voltage German systems, meaning you are stuck paying dealer rates. Smart money avoids out-of-warranty German complexity, and the e-tron is the most complex of them all. Verdict: inefficient tech and ruinous repair costs create a financial black hole.